Hello. If you get a list of students from your school management system, it might be too complicated to use for Focus on Sound. So here's how you might edit a typical Excel file. First of all, I'm going to make sure there are grid lines, plenty of borders, but not grid lines in this particular one. Then I'm going to select everything, get rid of all the borders we don't need. So click None, click OK. So that's ready now. Now there are lots of columns that are not useful for us. We don't need gender, date of birth, year group, registration group. Select all those, click delete. Now we want to make sure there are two columns for the name, one for last name, one for first name. So I'm going to data, text to columns, delimited, next. Make sure comma, that's what divides a name, is selected. Click next, check that's okay, click finish. Okay, we've got some spaces before the name, that doesn't matter, that's fine. So I'm going to give headings, last and first. And then we're going to add the class name. We need the class name for Focus on Sound so that all the results system will work. So I'm going to put heading class. Then first class 7A1MU, so I'm going to type that in. And then I'm going to make sure all of these names have got the same class, drag it down like that. Now I'm going to do the same for another class. If it's just a number or ends with a number, you might have to use the Control or the Alt button to make sure it doesn't increase it for each one. Anyway, there's a second class added, so every kid has to have a class. Then let's get rid of the rows we don't need. So males, females, we don't need that. We don't need the full name again, so pressing Shift and selecting those. Get rid of males and females at the end. Delete. Check that looks okay. Just widen it just to make sure that looks okay for you. Then that's all we need. Last name, first name and class. You can call them anything you like, but let's call it that. Then save as, and it needs to be saved as a CSV file, comma delimited. Click save, and that's it.